In today's video, I'll teach you how to disable telemetry in Windows 10 or 11. So first of all, you'll have to go to the settings. For that, click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now click on the gear icon. After you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for privacy and click on it. In Windows 11, you'll be able to find the option for privacy and security. What you have to do is click on it. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Under the section for Windows permissions, at first you'll be able to find this option for diagnostics and feedback. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to manage the settings related with the diagnostic data. What you have to do is make sure to select this option for required diagnostic data. If you select this option, only the required information will be sent to the Microsoft. Now after you do that, what you have to do is scroll down. Over here you'll be able to find this section for tailored experiences. What you have to do is toggle this button off. Now also make sure to delete the diagnostic data. For that, click on this option delete. Now wait for a while and the diagnostic data that has been collected will be deleted. So like this, you'll be able to disable the telemetry. So that is how you disable telemetry in Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.